What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Stratic here. I'm here to do an awesome review of this great app called TweakBox. First things first, go into the description below and click on the link, and it'll take you to tweakboxapp.com. Once you get there, click on the download app right over here. Then click allow, and this will take you to your profiles. Click install. Once you click install again, put your passcode, and there you go. Click done. Once you got it all installed, go back to your home screen, click on the app right there, and then wait a couple seconds. An ad will pop up. Click on the X, and then from here, click on apps. And then here's what you came here to get from this app. This is the most important part of this app. You got your Flash app games. These are games that are apps that are in the App Store that are not supposed to be there, and they're going to get removed immediately, so they're only in there for a flash amount of time, which is a small little amount of time. So check on it periodically, and you're going to find a lot of gems in there that once they're in the App Store and you download them, you can keep them forever. Next thing, you got your apps from the App Store. These are just apps that are either hacked or basically free, and you can download them without Apple's permission. Then you got your TweakBox apps. These are all your emulators, movie apps, all your good stuff that you possibly want. The reason that I always get this is so I can get the Movie Box app in the movies HD and all these other cool apps. Definitely check those out. That's a really good reason to get this app. Next thing, you got all your hacked media apps. You got your hacked Snapchat, you got your hacked Facebook, Instagram, Facebook, etc. After that, you got your hacked games for people that want hacked games like The Last Day on Earth, Marvel's Contest, Pokemon Go, etc. All these apps on here are all free, and you guys can definitely download them, check them out. Other than that, guys, it's your boy Stratic. Please like and subscribe. Leave comments in the comments box down below. Let me know what you guys want to see. If you guys have any apps that you guys want me to show off and let other people know about, definitely comment in the comments down below. You guys are awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.